Hey beauties, it's Riri, and today's video is my BOXYCHARM by IPSY. We're gonna dive right in, but I don't have high hopes. This is how my box came to me. It is completely ripped, opened up, and I did get add-ons, so I'm just hoping everything is in there. With all of that being said, if you're unfamiliar with the BOXYCHARM by IPSY, this is a $28 monthly beauty subscription where you receive 5 full-size products, and this month's theme is Glamoween. Enter our ultimate Halloween beautyverse, if you dare. We've brewed up 100 plus makeup tutorials and hair-raising inspiration to help you conquer Halloween like a pro. Check them out at IPSY on TikTok all spooky season. They also do a ton of shorts on YouTube, just if you're interested. So I'm gonna dive in. First up, I have the Tease, T-E-E-E-Z, Suit of Armor Battle Prep Face Primer, and it says powered by Passion Flower. That sounds great. And it is, of course, a full size. I actually got the blush of this brand in my Allure beauty box, and I really, really liked it. I do want to see what this looks like. And, oh, I don't know if that's the actual color of it. It's in a really heavy plastic container. I do want to take a look at it and just see. It honestly just looks like a lotion. It smells slightly herbaceous with maybe a kiss of fruit in it. So of course we'll read up on that. I'm excited about that. I don't mind having that. Next up is one of the things that I picked. This is the Tula Skincare So Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Of course it is a full size. And I have tried this before. I am somebody that really likes physical exfoliation. I know some people do not, but especially having dry skin, I do like it to kind of get the dry, dead skin off, but I only use an exfoliating product like 1 to 2 times per week, and I'm really cautious to make sure that I moisturize, SPF, all that kind of stuff after the fact. So far so good. Next up is the Wander Beauty. They tend to make appearances in our boxes. This is the Riviera Blush and Bronzer Palette. This is still sealed, and I already know that I'm not going to use this, so if there's a picture in the little pamphlet, I'll show you. If not, I'll pop a picture right here. But I know I'm not going to get any use out of this, so I will put that to the side. Next up is the Lauren's. I'm guessing like Lauren Conrad. I'm not sure. What are you? Lauren's Lip Oil infused with shea oil and vitamin E, and it's in strawberry. And I love lip oils. Oh, that is so pretty. I like aesthetically how it looks. Just very neutral, very soft. I do have a little bit of NOMAD Cosmetics little balm on, but I'm gonna try this anyway. Oh, my yumminess. Oh, that smells so good. Ooh, that feels so good. Nothing to write home about. It's an oil. It does give a little whisper of color though, which I really like. It feels great. Ooh, I love that. And then last but not least in my BOXYCHARM is the Huda Beauty Automatic Lip Pencil Lip Contour 2.0, and it's in the shade Honey Beige. I love overall Huda Beauty, like as a brand. They're a phenomenal brand in my personal opinion. I do actually, I think, want to test this out too. I'm just going to rip the box because I can't ever get these out of here. But I was excited to see this. I like that we got the lip oil and a lip liner. Of course, you know, you can make your choices as well. And then I got the palette and then 2 skincare products. I think that was a well-curated box. Yeah, I love the packaging of that. I don't know how well it's going to glide with so much lip oil on my lips, but, you know, we shall see. It's almost like a My Lips But Better type of shade. I'll definitely have to test it on its own. Obviously, it's kind of slipping and sliding, but I love the color. Okay, I love the box overall. Let's read our pamphlet, and then we'll go into my add-ons. And I assumed that there'd be prices, but there are not any prices. Oh, goodness. Yeah, okay. Well, I wish that they had the little card that says pricing and stuff like that. So, yeah. That's my BOXYCHARM. Now we're going to go into our add-ons, and y'all, one of these add-ons I'm really excited about. I mean, I'm really excited about all of them, but anyways, I digress. I got a bunch of like the 350 ones, and then I got something that I think I got a great deal on. First up is the Kitsch Satin Scrunchies 6-piece set, and if you know scrunchies that are satin, and of course satin scrunchies are supposed to be healthier for the hair, I love these kind of blushy, more nude tones, so love that. Next up is the Purlisse Juicy Tint Lip Nourisher with agave and mango butter. It is lightweight, visibly plumper, softer lips. And I love products like this, and I go through them pretty quickly. I use them throughout the day. I sleep with something on my lips overnight, so I love having products like that. Next up is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. And that's something else I really love about being able to get IPSY is as a member, you can go into the pop-up shop and the add-ons and stuff like that and get really incredible values on tons of things. So I love that part of it. Next up, running theme, I guess, for me is the Ciate London, the Mango and Lime Burst Nourishing Lip Oil. And I kind of wanted to restock on some lip products because I'm in the process of doing my declutter series, and I know that a lot of my lip products that I currently have I'm going to be getting rid of, so I wanted to kind of re-up, especially heading into the winter months. Next up, I got the Kenzie Berry Beauty Eau de Parfum. This is not for me, this is for a holiday gift, so I'm not going to open it or spray it or anything like that. And then, y'all, last but not least, but I'm real scared that it's broke. Y'all know what comes in these boxes. Say it with me. Natasha Denona. Hopefully it's okay. It is the Retro palette from Natasha Denona. And this, I think, is $65 if I'm not mistaken. And y'all, in the add-ons, it was $20 or $25. I'll put it right here. 25, I think. I just hope it's okay. But I've been sitting on the fence over this one. I think it is so incredibly beautiful, and I've wanted to get this, but I've waited. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I am excited about this one, especially heading again into like the winter months. I'm excited to have this. That psychedelic shade. Oh my god. Oh. That looks so beautiful. If you guys want to see a look, obviously this is not new, but I cannot personally pass up paying $25 for this. Let me know if you got in on that deal as well. I'm excited. Oh, I'm so happy to have this. Anyways, that is my short and sweet little BOXYCHARM by IPSY unboxing. Luckily, I don't know how, but I'm grateful that everything was okay. That's it, beauties. What were you hoping to get in your box? And did you get it on the retro palette? I'd like to know. Let's have that conversation down below. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.